Hi you guys, it's Pussy coming back to you with another freaking video. And today I will be showing you how to make a sub sandwich. Now the reason why I'm not in the kitchen is because I want to show y'all something real fast. I know I really haven't made like a face-to-face video, and that is because, long story short, I burnt my face and I didn't want to make a video and showing my face because it was just so messed up. And that was like 2 weeks ago, and right now it's like clearing up very good because I use my face cleansing kit. As y'all know, I did drop a face cleansing kit about almost a month ago, and it is doing well. But anyways, the reason why I'm in my room today is because I released a new lip gloss, and that is for Valentine's Day. And I just made these little keychains today for Valentine's. And here's the lip gloss, very cute and sparkly, very cute. So don't miss out on these right here. This is a combo deal for $6. You get both of these for $6. Like, come on now, you cannot beat this. So head over to www.embraceheritage.com. Anyways, let's just get right into this video. Peace out. Okay, so now we is finally in the kitchen, and today who will be helping me is my son.
Hello, mate.
Javion. His name is Javion. So he will be helping me make the sub sandwiches today. And what else? Do you want to say something?
No.
Do you have a channel?
No.
Okay. But anyways, let's just get right into this video. Okay, so the things you will need is cheese. Any type of cheese will do. Some tomatoes, some mayo, or whatever type of spread you use. Pickles, some lettuce, and meat of your choice. What I use is chicken, turkey, and roast beef. All gluten-free meat. And then I use bread. Now this is my first time using this bread, and I grabbed the wrong bread. I wanted onion bread, but this would do. And then optional, you will need this submarine dressing. Okay, so throughout this whole video, you will only be able to see my son because I am too tall for this type of view. Which I'm really not tall, I'm only 5 feet. But anyways, so what you want to start off with is clean hands. Then you want to start off with your bread. Okay, so we got the bread. Oh, it's already cut open for us. Okay, cut open the bread. Okay, now all you want to do is take your knife and spread the mayo on your bread.
This mayo there.
Yes, this. Now I love mayo, so I am going to add
Mayo.
I am going to add a lot of mayo on my sandwich because
Disgusting.
I love mayo. Like, am I the only one who loves this much mayo? Close the top to the mayo. Now, all we're going to do is just put the cheese on there. One slice of cheese will do, as you can see. Then I'm going to put the meat on there. So once again, I have roast beef, chicken, and turkey. And then I also have hard salami, the fresh kind. You can grab your meat. And then once I get done with this, I'm going to pass it around to you. Now, at this point, you can put how much meat you want on your sandwich. Like, if you want an extra meaty sandwich, make an extra meaty sandwich, okay?
Or you just put the whole thing on there if you want to.
Yeah, you can if you want. Now I'm finna add my hard salami.
On there. Okay, just can't take it off. Yeah, I need help.
Now I got the chicken, and I'm gonna put some chicken up on mine.
I'm just gonna put everything I want.
Y'all see that sandwich looking good? Then I got the turkey. Put this good old turkey. Ooh, good old turkey. Oh man, you want turkey on yours?
Okay, put some.
That's how big the slice is.
Do you see this? Dang, what I mean?
Look at mine, looking good. Okay, now you want to add the tomatoes. I love tomatoes,
Ew, tomato.
so I put 3 on top of mine. Now it's time for the pickles. I got these pickles from Walmart. Like, this is my first time having Walmart pickles. Lord Jesus. Ugh. Look how strong I am.
Sure. Stronger than you.
These taste like salt. And they so thick. Lord Jesus.
So just like
Anyways, I'm going to add a lot of pickles on mine because
I'm a pickle lover.
I love pickles.
Just love everything.
Y'all see this? Looking so good.
You? I might just put the whole jar.
Now, I'm going to add some of the submarine dressing. Add it on the top of the bread. Like so. Y'all see that? And then I'm just going to top it off on top. My Lord.
It's around like 2 more. That's it.
Okay. Then you smash it. I don't know why, but I love smashing my sandwich together. It's just, I don't know. It just tastes better. Put it on.
Got it.
Wow, his taller than mine. These look at this. You see?
Alright, this is kind of
You see this?
Call me SpongeBob.
Call him SpongeBob, okay? And then I like to take a knife and then I like to cut down the middle of mine.
Because you use for cooler.
And this is how the sandwich looks. Looks so good and ready to eat.
Cooler pickle.
Now, one thing, before I end this video, one thing that I like to do is put my sandwich in the refrigerator. For some reason, when you put the sandwich in the refrigerator, it tastes so much better. But I usually eat like a half a sandwich. And then the other half, I put it in the refrigerator just so it can get soggy. I don't know. I like the soggy taste that it gives when it's in the refrigerator. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all enjoyed Javion today. Let us know how we did. Let us know if you try out this exact same sandwich. But anyways, until next time,
Peace.
peace.
Yeah, I can reach it.